Buying a used car can either save you thousands or cost you everything. You see, used cars don't come with guarantees, but they do come with signs, if you know what to look for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important red flags you must spot before buying any used car. If you miss even one of these, you might end up with a money pit. So stay with me until the end. I'll share a powerful tip that can save you from getting scammed. Welcome to Car Master Tips. Let's get started. Number 1. The title and VIN. The first red flag isn't under the hood, it's on the paperwork. Ask to see the title before anything else. If the seller doesn't have it or says, "It's in the mail," that's a deal breaker. Titles can tell you everything. A clean title means no major problems. A salvage title means the car was declared totaled. A rebuilt title means it was repaired, but by who? And how well? A flood title is the worst, that car's been underwater. Now let's talk about the VIN, the vehicle identification number. You'll find it on the dashboard, door frame, and under the hood. Make sure the VIN on the car matches the one on the title. Then use that VIN to run a history report using sites like Carfax, AutoCheck, or VinCheck Pro. You'll see accidents, mileage records, service history, and how many owners it's had. If anything doesn't add up, walk away. Number 2. Water damage. Flood-damaged cars are a hidden nightmare. Some of them are cleaned up so well, they look brand new on the outside. But water seeps into everything: electronics, wiring, the frame. Start with the smell. If it smells like mold, mildew, or heavy perfume, that's a red flag. Sellers often use air fresheners to hide flood smells. Next, check under the floor mats and trunk carpet. Do you see stains, rust, or moisture? Look closely at the seat rails and bolts. Any corrosion? Check the fuse box and electrical connectors. Corrosion here will cost you big money. Look inside the headlights and taillights. Fog or water drops inside equals trouble. A car with flood damage can start fine today, but tomorrow, it might randomly shut off while driving. Don't take the risk. Number 3. Body damage and paint inconsistencies. Next, let's walk around the car and do a visual inspection in daylight. Look at how the light reflects on the body. Do some panels look glossier or duller than others? That's a sign they've been repainted. Look for overspray on the rubber seals, door handles, or plastic trims, a common sign of cheap repair work. Now check the panel gaps. Are the spaces between the hood and fenders equal on both sides? If one side is tight and the other's wide, the car may have been in a crash. Open and close the doors, trunk, and hood. They should close easily and line up cleanly. If anything feels misaligned or stiff, it may have frame damage. Use a magnet wrapped in a cloth. Move it along the panels. If it doesn't stick well in a certain area, that might be body filler, which means crash repair. Minor body repairs are okay, but if the car has hidden structural damage, it's not worth the risk. Number 4. Engine condition. Now pop the hood. Even if you're not a mechanic, you can learn a lot by using your eyes, ears, and nose. First, look for signs of leaks. Do you see wet spots around the engine block or valve cover? Check under the car. Is there a puddle? Look at the oil dipstick. Clean oil should be golden or brown. Milky or gray oil equals water and the engine equals big trouble. Inspect the coolant. Is it bright green or orange? Good. Rusty or brown? Bad. Check the battery terminals for corrosion. Now, start the car. Listen closely. Does it start right away? Is it idling smooth? Knocking sounds equals internal engine damage. Ticking equals worn lifters or low oil. Rough idle equals misfire or vacuum leaks. Also, rev the engine slightly. Does it hesitate? Or smoke? White smoke equals head gasket. Blue smoke equals burning oil. Black smoke equals too much fuel. All of these mean, don't buy it. Number 5. Test drive deep dive. Now it's time for the test drive, the most important part of your inspection. Start with a cold engine if possible. Drive slowly at first. How does it feel? Then drive at highway speeds. Listen and feel for anything unusual. Pay attention to transmission shifts should be smooth and timely. Brakes should stop evenly, no pulling or squealing. Steering should feel responsive, not loose or shaky. Suspension hit a bump. Does the car bounce or rattle? Turn off the radio. Listen for clunks, squeaks, or vibrations. The car should feel solid and controlled, like it wants to go straight. If anything feels strange, don't ignore it. It usually means expensive repairs ahead. Number 6. Dashboard lights. When you turn the key to on, all the dashboard lights should flash briefly and then go off. If the check engine light, ABS, or airbag light stays on, there's a problem. Worse, if no lights come on at all, the seller may have removed the bulbs to hide issues. Bring an OBD2 scanner. They cost $20 and take seconds to plug in. If the seller refuses a scan, the deal is over. Number 7. Tires, suspension, and undercarriage. Tires tell a big story. Check tread depth with a coin or tool. If one side is bald and the other isn't, that means alignment or suspension issues. Look for cracks or bubbles in the tire walls. Now check underneath the car. Look for leaks, rust on frame or exhaust, loose hanging parts. Use your phone flashlight and take your time. Frame rust is dangerous, especially in snowy or coastal areas. Number 8. Odometer fraud and interior clues. Does the car claim low mileage? Now match it to the condition. Worn steering wheel or pedals? Sagging driver's seat? Scratched gear shifter? If it looks like it's been through a war, but says 60,000 miles, that's fishy. Use the VIN to check mileage history. Compare the current reading with service records and inspections. Odometer rollback still happens, especially with older vehicles. Number 9. Sketchy seller behavior. Now pay attention to the seller, not just the car. Are they pressuring you? Avoiding questions? Not letting you inspect the car alone? Saying other buyers are coming soon? That's a manipulation tactic. If they seem nervous, change their story, or talk too much, something's off. You're not just buying the car. You're buying the seller's honesty. Number 10. Get a professional inspection. Finally, always get the car checked by a trusted mechanic. It might cost $100, but it could save you thousands. A mechanic can spot oil leaks, test compression, check for hidden codes, inspect brakes, suspension, exhaust, and more. If the seller refuses this, run. Any honest person will agree to a mechanic check. Let's review. Checkmark: check the title and VIN. Checkmark: inspect for flood or accident damage. Checkmark: look under the hood and under the car. Checkmark: test drive carefully. Checkmark: scan for warning lights. Checkmark: trust your gut and a mechanic. If you skip these steps, you might regret your purchase. But if you follow them, you'll find a great car at a great deal. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to CarMaster Tips. And comment below. What's the worst red flag you've ever seen on a used car? Thanks for watching, and drive smart.